Under the JSON API, open CMD. JSON API, open the CMD. In that CMD, you will write JSON-server space -- watch space data.json space -- port space 1234. This CMD under the JSON API folder. Open the CMD there. Write this command: JSON-server space -- watch data.json space -- port 1234. Let me know once your server is started.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, it's showing like that JSON server is not recognized as an internal or external command. But yesterday it worked. It was working, but today it's not working.
Where you are running that command?
In command prompt.
Which folder?
That data.json.
Again install.
Yeah, it's installed. In JSON API, there is data.json.
Install again.
Again, I have to install.
Yeah, install again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next after that, come to that file. Which file? That is called in this file. What we have done is we have imported a library called Axios. Axios is a external JavaScript library that has the method of sending the data, receiving the data. It's called get post. Get for fetching the data, post for sending the data. Okay, after that, delete for deleting the data, put for updating the data. So using this method, hook 7 have a function called get user. It will go to this URL. That URL is running here in the JSON server user. Now from there it will bring the data, and after bringing the data will be checked whether there any record is there or not. If record is there, then the data will be sent to the update user, and from update user it will come to the user list. Next after that, this update user function is responsible to send the data to user list and delete update everything from the user list. Next, use effect, why we have called, because on page load, whenever the page will load, use effect get called automatically. Inside we call the function call get user. So that meaning get user will get called automatically on page load. Now come here and write inside one paragraph available user is available user are user list dot length. Hope ready. Now come to the hook 7. See here. Users are showing already. Available users are 2. This loop we have written yesterday. So list of data are already loading. As soon as your server will start, server will be ready. The data will come here. Check now. Length is coming. We need to work on delete part. We need to work on add part. How to add the data, how to delete the data. Those activities. So first we'll not delete here. First we'll try adding the new data. Okay, first we'll try to add the new data. After that, we'll delete that. Okay. So in this file, you have made this table. Put this table align as a right. Align equal to right. So this table will come in the right hand side of the screen. Okay, table align right. So this table gone to where? Right side. This paragraph also you can keep aligned right. It will print in the right side. Okay, it's gone to the complete right. No problem, let it be. Or center it will do where it will go. Okay, now come in the same page. Create one more table to add a new user. Table open close. Line will be left. Left. T head we need to add. TR we need to add. TH we need to add. Full name. Next TD. Then put type equal to text. Next we have call mobile age. Mobile age. Type equal to text only. We can add one more TR. Follow the TH. Button. Save user. Hope your form is ready. Cell padding you can give some. Twenty. It will have sufficient space. Okay, so we got sufficient space. We will add the data here in the left side. That data will come in the right hand side. So till here you are ready. Now we have to create the text boxes. Text box are ready. We need to write the function and pick the value and do the addition work. So we'll go up under the script here. You create a constant full name use state empty. Next const mobile number. Next const age. Age. Use state now write a function call Save. You have to call this URL. Write a variable URL equal to variable new user name will come from name is going to come from the full name. Mobile is going to come from mobile number. This is going to come from age. After that, we can write here axios.post. Now using Axios, we are going to post the data, one user details, URL, comma, new user. I hope you have seen similar functionality in the project class also today. We are posting the data here from the text box, taking from text box and posting to the JSON server. .n response we can call this function again just to reload the list. Reload the list after adding reload the list after adding the new user. Okay, let's write till here. Say function is written. Pick name, pick mobile, pick age. We'll be taking the value from the text box. These functions are going to take the value from the text box. Write it quickly and let me know. Reply is required. Okay, so hope you have written. Now let's move next. Now come down. Now change equal to obj pick name package. One click, we need to call the same function. Okay, hope ready. Save the file. See now, pick name, pick mobile, pick page will take the value from text box, and after that, once you click on save button, this save function will call, and save function will create one array object, and this array object will be sent to URL called user. Okay, it will be sent to the user URL, right? After that, what will happen is, after saving the data to the server, again we are calling get user. Get user for what purpose? To reload the list. We are calling the get user function to reload the list. Let us come now. Check once. We'll add a new user here. We'll see it is happening or not. Ajit, mobile number is 30 years. See, Ajit added here. Kunal, 40 years. Added. Now we need to clear the text box. If you go to any component, do anything, no problem at all. Once you come to the hook number 7, you will see the data. Because the data gone to the file system, the data gone to your JSON server. This file you have created, one file you have created to the item.json. Your data gone to that file. Your data gone to the data.json file. You can open and check there. Your data will be under the data.json file. Right? Hope saving for everyone. Data will go to the data.json file. Next functionality is we have to see the this one delete part. You have to see the delete part. Okay, so let's complete delete functionality also. Oh, text box clearation is pending. We can clear the text box. It's easy, not difficult. Let's come here. Call this pick name function. Using the pick name function, you can clear the text box. Pick name function you call here. Clear. Pick mobile function you call here. Clear. Then pick age function you can call here. Keep it clear. After doing this, come down below. You have to clear the text boxes. So for that, again, we have to call here value equal to that full name. Value equal to mobile. mobile or mobile number, mobile number. Hello equal to age. So this will clear the text box. This will clear the text box. Ready? Now clear is happening. Add one more user. Data will add here and this will get clear. Okay, hope ready. Now let's come. We need to work on delete functionality. So write a function here. Delete user. ID is required. Alert that ID. Rishabh, your class is 12:30. You follow your group message. Operated delete user is written. Go next. Delete user function we have to call below. Delete we have here a button. Let delete user dot bind delete user dot bind this comma user of id, whichever the delete you will click, that id will alert, whichever the delete you will click, that id should alert. Ready? See, it should be like this. When you click on delete button, you will get an alert. Whichever the delete button you will click, alert will come. Getting the ID. Okay, hope on click, you are getting the alert. Correct. Next, what we have to do is we have to send a request to backend server, JSON server, to delete the particular ID. So for that, you have to write the URL again here, same URL. Which URL we have on the top? Same URL you can copy here and paste, and in that URL slash plus ID you can add. Slash plus ID you can add. slash plus ID we added. Next, after doing that, we have to call here axios dot delete. In that, you can pass the URL with ID dot then response. You will keep inside again this user, reload the list, reload the list, reload the list after deleting. Reload the list after deleting a user. So now delete will happen. Okay, only one person. See here, when you click on delete button, it should get delete from the list. Click on delete button. Suppose Ajit I am deleting. Ajit should go from here. Mahesh I will delete. Mahesh will go. Kunal if I click, Kunal will go. So whichever the delete button you click, that user will get removed from here. So this happened through JSON server, fetching the data, listing the data, deleting the data. Edit part we are going to learn tomorrow. Tomorrow we will learn the use params. Use params. After learning the use params, we will be able to edit the data. That is the tomorrow class. Tomorrow, tomorrow we'll log in 10 o'clock. 10 to 11:30 will be the class. Okay, tomorrow. Edit part we will learn that use params, how to pass the data from one page to other page through browser URL, and then how to edit them. Okay, see you tomorrow. We'll upload all videos today. We'll give you the link. Some